Let's be completely honest for a moment. You are not going to feel motivated every single day. Some days you will wake up completely exhausted. Some days, the absolute last thing you want to do is open a textbook. The truth is, high-achieving students, especially those navigating the highly competitive academic systems in East Asia, don't rely on luck, and they don't rely on motivation either. They rely on a system. If you only study when you feel like it, you will never build consistency. In the Chinese study philosophy, waiting for motivation is a trap. Instead, they practice a concept called zilu, or self-discipline. It means your actions dictate your mood, not the other way around. When you view studying as a non-negotiable part of your identity, like brushing your teeth or sleeping, the mental resistance disappears. You don't ask yourself if you should study today. You only ask when. In this video, we're going to break down the exact structural habits, memory techniques, and environmental setups that make these long hours possible. The first practical step isn't about opening a book. It's about clearing your space. Your environment dictates your focus. If your desk is messy, your mind will be cluttered. The first practical step isn't about opening a book. It's about clearing your space. Your environment dictates your focus. If your desk is messy, your mind will be cluttered. Top students treat their study space like a sacred zone. It is reserved exclusively for deep work. If they want to scroll on social media, they physically leave the chair. This trains the brain to automatically switch into focus mode the moment you sit down. Let's look at how they handle the ultimate focus killer, the smartphone. Many high-achieving Chinese students utilize real-time study tracking apps where they join virtual study rooms with thousands of other students. Seeing peer accountability in real time creates a psychological push. If you pick up your phone, your virtual tree dies or your rank drops. If apps aren't enough, the phone goes into a completely different room or a timed lockbox. By removing the visual cue of the distraction, you eliminate the willpower needed to fight it. If there is one definitive secret weapon shared by almost every top scorer in China, it is the quotiben, which translates literally to the error notebook or mistake book. Most students take a practice test, check their score, feel happy or sad, and move on. Top students do the exact opposite. They don't care about the questions they got right. They obsess over the ones they got wrong. Every single time they make a mistake on a quiz or homework assignment, they copy the problem into this dedicated notebook. They write out the correct solution, color code the specific formula they missed, and write a direct note to their future self explaining the mental trap that caused the mistake. Before any major exam, they don't reread the entire textbook. They only study their error notebook. By systematically eliminating your specific, recurring weaknesses, your scores have no choice but to go up. Academic success isn't about working yourself to the point of exhaustion without a plan. It's about building a system that protects your focus, respects your goals, and functions smoothly, even on the days you feel tired. You don't need to change everything overnight.